Okay, so this is just a quick video that I made after our call today. So here we're in Revit 2024. I'm in a file that we just call our sample file in case that matters. And what I'm going to do is we'll just go to Insert. Now I'm in a sheet view if that matters also. I'll go to Insert, Load Family, and I'm in a particular directory that has some families that are in the 2021 version. So if I just select one and load it in, you'll see that it'll go through the upgrading process. It'll prompt us probably, oh, it did not. Okay, so it's all done now. You'll see that we're back in, I can select the sheet and I can select the schedule, but the ribbon is stuck. We can't do anything. So typically what happens in this case, sometimes it does come back. So you'll see that it just came back after 10 or so seconds. I guess it is possible that it's always going to come back, and I'm just not usually sitting here talking while it happens. So let's try a different family. We'll stay in the 2021 directory just for giggles. We'll go get something else. Let's say we load that in. It will do the upgrade process, prompt us to overwrite. We'll do that. That's fine. And let's see what happens now. So again, the ribbon is now stuck. I can't click on anything. And I guess this time I'll give it a few seconds just to see if the ribbon comes back to life, because last time I talked for a couple of seconds and then it came back to life. So it does not seem to be coming back this time, although I was moving my mouse over the project browser. So I'm going to move my mouse and scroll over the project browser. Oh, and that brought the ribbon back to life. Okay, well, let's do another quick test then. Let's load another family in. We'll go to a different directory just for fun. We'll still stay in 2021. We'll load this in. So maybe you don't need the spare project. Maybe you just need to click somewhere. Clicking in the viewport doesn't do it. You'll see if I click the sheet, that doesn't even give us the sheet context. That's a title block. We don't get the title block's context. If I click a schedule, we don't get anything. If I'm hitting the escape key, that's not doing anything. The properties palette seemed to fix it. Oh, it looks like the properties palette or the project browser fix it. Okay, so I guess maybe you don't need another project open. The reason I normally do that is I hadn't really tested this before, so I didn't realize that the project browser and the properties palette were fixing it. But so this also sometimes just worked to be a little more convenient, because again, if I would go load vam, pick another one, bring it in, let it do the upgrade, it locks the UI, but now I could just click over here and everything would come back to normal, and then I could just flip back. So apparently I could just do that in the project browser. I wasn't aware of that. I should go back and check this in like 22 and load older content from like 21, because I'm pretty sure, I don't know, I don't think clicking in either one of these palettes always fixes it. That's why I got in the habit of having that other project open. But yeah, I'll send you these couple of families. I don't think there's anything special about them. This is basically any of our libraries. We don't normally load them from an old library. Like, just to show you an example, this exact library that I'm loading from right now, that's in 21. We have that library in 24. Where this usually comes into play is if we're building content or if we're adding content to our libraries on the fly, we'll be building the content in 21 so that later we can build out the later version library. So we always author all of our content in 21 for this year. So we all keep 21 open just about all day. Like, I'm working on the millwork library right now. And then if I need to spin off a new cabinet for a project in 24, I'll build it in 21. I'll typically just load it in. And then later I'll go make that cabinet and upgrade it into 22 and 23 and 24. So we just experienced this a lot. I thought it was kind of a known thing. To be fair, I have not tried turning off all the add-ins to see if there's a possibility one of those is causing it, but I'll send you those families in 21. If you don't experience the problem, let me know, and I guess then I need to start shutting down add-ins and see what could be causing it.